Maharaj, he actually visited Fiji and Australia in 1984. And that is where the real seed of satsang, which was planted back then.
84.
1984.
My question, 1800 Swaminarayan temples are there around the world.
Yes.
Within span of?
Within span of, so the 1907 was the year when BAPS was established.
Means it's 100 plus years, 115 something. Yeah.
Yes, yes. So from 1907 until today, it's those many temples.
1800. And Swaminarayan or Akshardham means everything gorgeous,
Yes,
not small huts.
yes.
It's
Those are huge.
everything, quality and vast. The way they construct everywhere.
Most is all volunteer, like you can see the pictures here, they're volunteering everywhere.
Everything. See this.
Yes.
Sages on one.
So this is the temple in Gujarat,
Gujarat.
where all the
Akshardham?
it's in Saharanpur.
Another one.
Yeah, it's another one. Then this is the Abu Dhabi temple,
Recently.
the recent one. Yes.
Pradhan Mantri, Modi ji.
Yes. Then this one is from London.
London, yeah. This is also recent one.
No, this was opened in 1995.
Oh.
Yeah.
US
Robin Street.
Recently, yes.
Recent one is this.
Robin
This
Street.
one, oh.
Akshardham.
This is the US.
This is America one. This is America one. This is Ahmedabad Akshardham.
Yeah.
This is Toronto
Toronto, Canada.
in Canada.
And 162 different activities.
Yeah.
Okay, great. You want to say something?
Yeah.
Yeah, 84 he went
So
there.
1984 was the period. Since then, the actual seed of satsang planted by a guru.
Maharaj.
Now, when we say guru, right?
Yeah.
A guru is a very visionary person. Whatever he sees, we would not understand until we see it in happening, right?
Correct.
And that's exactly what he had told at that point of time. That here there are so many devotees. It is just that we have to have the satsang for them so that they can live a better life, a life with virtues, values, sanskara, and our tradition.
Yes.
So that younger generation who actually moves to this country, they will be able to have a nice and very comfortable environment for them to experience satsang and experience the Indian traditional life that we used to live in India.
Yes.
And that was the very basic thought which he had in 1984. And since then, he had multiple visits. Then after that, in 1996, he visited New Zealand and Australia. Then in 1997, Mahan Swami came. Then in 2002, he visited Australia and New Zealand and he opened 3 mandir. One was in Perth, second was in Sydney, and third was in Auckland. And that was the very first time a mandir was opened.
Oh.
In 2002 on the land of Australia or Asia Pacific, you can say.
Oh.
And since then, the journey began, and now we are up to the point when this mandir was opened. This was 24th mandir across Australia.
Only Australia 24?
Yes,
Okay.
Australia, New Zealand, Fiji.
Oh. Brisbane also.
Yes, Brisbane.
Oh,
So you
every
can see-
year mentioned. Perth is starting
Started
from
in
Perth.
2002 in
Oh.
Perth until this mandir.
This is it, March
Yes.
16. Oh.
And in the month of August, there was another mandir which was opened in Wellington,
Oh.
which is the capital of New Zealand.
Yeah. Wow.
And all of these mandir is an absolute creation of our Guru, and all the volunteers, they got together and they were able to produce
Yes.
such a magnificent mandir.
Great job. Not ordinary thing, Baba. It's a great job. For whole humanity, not for only.
So we'll sit down here and I'll ask your experience.
Yeah, definitely. நாளைக்கு நம்ம வெல்தான்.
Come. Yeah.
ఆ ఖాళీ ఉన్నప్పుడు పాస్ పెట్టాను
పాస్ చేయాలి.
పట్టుకుంటే ఉంటాను.
We are very delighted that you took time off today to come and visit this beautiful Hindu temple in Australia,
Yes.
which is the largest one. Please tell us, when you were planning to come to this place and you left from the accommodation, what was the thought which was running in your mind?
Hare Krishna. Thank you for facilitating me here along with our team, and I thank to Mukesh ji. He explained everything regarding our visit and about Swaminarayan, and it made us to do Abhisheka for Nilkanthwani Maharaj, and he explained everything. And this is my third place. First Akshardham, Gujarat, second in Delhi, and this is third. And when I left home, because yesterday night we planned about this, to visit BAPS, because this is our culture, this is spreading in the whole world. We need to learn, we have to spread this, because what I learned from Nilkanthwani Maharaj, Swaminarayan Maharaj, tapasya, which is mentioned a lot, several times in Bhagavatam and Bhagavad Gita. Today, and one more thing, very auspicious, today is Ekadashi for us actually, and Vamana Dwadashi for public. This holy day, auspicious day, I need blessings of Nilkanthwani Maharaj, Swaminarayan. That's made me to leave the room and came here. So I felt I'm blessed. Really, you people made my day. Thank you.
And when you visited this place, when you saw, when your car entered inside the premises, and when you saw such a large murti of Nilkant, what was the thought in your mind?
So I get goosebumps. I'm very happy. While I'm chanting actually, when our car entered these premises, I'm chanting actually. I remain in Mauna Vrata. I won't speak with them from the beginning. But when I come, this beats the ending place. So I chanted loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. These boys getting down from the car, just they are asked to take me to inside the temple. But because actually I'm in a sleepy mood actually, because of the weather and late night sleep. But when I see the Murti of Nilkanthwani Maharaj, so I get inspired, I chant loudly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, as it is written there towards better living. And as said in Shastras, Asoshaya Kesava Kirtana. One must chant loudly to get salvation. There is only solution in this age of Kali. Nilkanthwani Maharaj left home with 5 things only. It has written there. The one is Mala and Asana for tapasya, Mala for chanting. This is Kali Yuga. Chanting is very, very required. And when I saw him, it's really unforgettable, very great, memorable. So inside so much joy and bliss, so many things. Because that too, it's not like in Delhi or like Akshardham, so much rush and all, no? Not yet, no? Here, so peaceful, so cool. That's why I said, you people made my day. So very happy, really. Thanks a lot.
And when you saw the entire premises, Mukesh took you out to temple where murtis were placed, then he took you out to retaining wall, then he took you up all the way. When you saw that entire landscape, such a big space of 25 acres, what was the thought in your mind?
Actually, inside I feel so proud This is a culture of India, tradition of Vedic culture. Here, you people, with a lot of tyaga. Otherwise, if they tyage, nike, amritatvamasu, if there is no sacrifice, you cannot get amrita. Correct? Here, so much nectar is there, so much amrita is there. This is like these places needed whole universe because people are hankering to get peace, hankering to get joy, ananda, but they are sitting outside for going, drinking, all bad habits. But when one come to such place like this BAPS, Swaminarayan, Darshan and Abhisheka, so much you get inside strength. Why people are doing papa karma, sinful activities? Because inside no joy, no knowledge. This is a place where, because we went all through the premises, no? Up also, there is Pramukh Maharaj, Swami Maharaj, so many quotations were there about soul, about satsang, about tolerance. This is needed for present generation, youth, because they are spoiled. Mainly, I felt, of course, whole world is going, but Indians, mainly Indian girls and boys need more and more these teachings, because India is a pujagadi, means the worship room for the whole world. We only people says, Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. One must learn how to do tapasya from Nilkant Valmiki Maharaj. If there is no tapa, they go for only papa. People are choosing papa because the temporary joy. But tapa gives eternal joy, eternity. That's where I have to learn through sadhana. That's what we discussed today. So really, it's a blissful day, memorable day, joyful day, finally wonderful day. You people made my day.
And one last question.
Yeah.
What would you like to say about the volunteers that you saw here today?
That's what I say. Tyaga, tyaga. You are not paid persons, correct? Na? You come voluntarily, that's word itself voluntary. You left home and you spend your money and time and strength and your medha, your intelligence to serve and save the culture, and this BAPS or Nilkantwalli Maharaj, the Swaminarayan projects all over the world for what? For the next generation, future. Because this is Kali Yuga. People maximum they live whimsically. Few seconds only they stay, after they change. When they come to connect with such great organizations, they come to know what is the truth, what is the goal of the life, as Maharaj says from Maharaj, Brahmic, Sattva. I took a snap also, it's really very important. It's very important. I see it's what an important point for the whole humanity. This body has been received to eradicate. This body has been received to eradicate all flaws. At times, the Brahmic state and offer devotion to Bhagavan. All this is certainly attained by practicing satsanga. Satsanga. Yashankaracharya says, satsangatve nisangatva, nisangatve nirmohatva. Nirmohatve, nischalatatva, nischalatatve jivan mukti. That's what? What is the ultimate goal of human? We discussed it there. वो गाय गधा कुत्ता भी कर सकता है, खाने का, सोने का, जाने का. सिर्फ हम इंसान, never become insane. Only humans can think, read, chant and discuss and attain. In Karnataka, there is one wonderful line from the Purandardas. ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮನೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ. What means my home is there. I come just here. The whole world is not ours. We are all guests. We should do the best because finally this body is going to the dust. That is must. Correct? Na? So that's why you should always stay connected with the divinity, not with envy. People so much inside, as our Mukesh explained about why we are breaking coconut. The shell is very strong. That is ahankara, ego. We should break. And because the whole world, we say in our culture, we explain, whole world is like a family. Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Vasudhaiva kutumbakam. Vasudha means earth. Kutumbakam means family. The whole world is one family. That is our concept. Not splitting or splitting. The both are bad. Both splitting or spitting. No need. Just join together. Sangachadvam, Samvadadvam. Discuss together, walk together, live together. As Pramukh Maharaj, it's written, eat together, read together, discuss together, play together. That is a family. The whole world is a family. Correct? All rooms are not same size, but one house, one home. The whole world, different colors, different creeds, different sects, different languages, but we are all one because God in everyone. That's called Mamayavamso Jivaloke, Jivabhuta Sanatana, Manasashtandhyani, Prakristana. Explained in Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 7th shloka. Everybody, my part and parcel. So, no enemy in the whole world because they all belongs to the same God which I worship. Who is my enemy? All are mine only. No one is my against to me. Correct? This should be spread. Spread love, spread humanity, spread forgiveness, spread unity, spread purity. Then people get clarity. That is my surety.
Right.
Thank you very much again and again.